Today's marketplace demands more from the workplace. All too often, leaders have sacrificed their own identities in the rush of business necessity. Leaders are now eager to reclaim their personal identities, recognizing that it has become less about the business defining the individual and more about the individual defining the business. Our high-impact training programs help participants discover their most authentic leadership identity by focusing on inclusion and the power of individuality. The overall learning experience combines real-world scenarios that are customized with our clients, using gamification techniques to test and improve participants' abilities to be authentic in how they make decisions and enable the full potential in others. We create a highly interactive experience that takes you on a journey of self-discovery that provides you with the tools and resources to ensure you continue to grow and develop well after the workshop. Our ultimate goal is to help you discover your personal brand as a leader and learn how to best use it to increase your leadership influence, build trust in the workplace, and strengthen your organization's goals and objectives in the marketplace.